Hi everyone, this is FEDYCO Power Amplifiers. This is our first time to the 2026 InfoComm. So we bring our new release product, the BDX, to here. So this one comes with our KX system, and this one comes with the Dandy, and with our KX ecosystems, as you see with the touch screen and another interface of the software here. So you take a look around the real panel of this product. So here comes with the IP control, AES input source, and then input source. Okay, that's all.